Is it working? Yeah, okay. Walter McKone here at the BSO. Now I'll show you how to use your stethoscope to mimic the mimic cardiac sounds. Okay. So what you do is if you put the diaphragm in your hand, is it on twitch and put it in the flat of your hand, right? Now make a fist. Okay, get that closer. Now make a fist, right? Now turn your hand over. Now go lub dub, lub dub. 2 fingers. Use 2 fingers. As in dub, dub, each finger, dub, dub. Look, can you hear it? Tap it hard with the tip, dum, 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 dum. That's it, keep going. So that's your heart sound, okay? Now S2 would be lub, dub, dub, lub, dub, dub. Because your hand becomes the heart, and that tapping is the valves. Does that make sense? Okay, so S4 is lub, dub, dub. Dub, dub, dub. Okay, so how would you do mitral valve leakage? Okay, if the second heart sound is one of the valves leaking, the second heart, so you go, the S1 will be bang, S2 will be a stroke. Hear it? That's a leaking valve. Now you see, you can all do that at home. You can all practice your heart sounds with your hands.